So it's getting to be that time of year. It's time to put the pontoon boat away for the winter. But one of the things that's really important in boating in general is the maintenance on your outboard engine. Like I say, we're storing this 154 stroke for the year. But one thing that I really appreciate that's really cool and handy for people of all levels is that Mercury now puts a QR code right on the side of the engine. So by lifting the hood up, you can get at that QR code. I can scan it with my phone, and up will pop an entire list of the different maintenance schedules and a whole variety of different videos that show you how to do the individual tasks at hand. So I can just scroll through, find out whatever it is that I'm planning on doing, simply watch the video, and it shows me an awful lot about what it takes to do those different procedures. And it also will help you to know whether that's something that you want to tackle or not. I recommend, if you're not comfortable with it, take it to a certified dealership. Not only can they do the service there and take care of the boat, but they can also look over the rest of the functions on the motor for you and let you know where it's at.